Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Ps5 is current and you're signed into your account. Once done, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Text-to-Speech, and switch Read Aloud on so incoming party text is spoken. Next, choose your preferred voice and adjust speed. These settings control how messages sound. Make sure Party Chat is allowed in Privacy settings, then create or join a party so the next steps can deliver audible text from teammates. Now you configure how TTS behaves during a party. Go back to Accessibility and fine-tune voice, pitch, and rate so the speech is clear while you game. Then open Party Settings and turn on any text chat reading or transcription features so typed messages are routed to TTS. Create a private test party and have someone send a brief message. Listen for timing and clarity. If it reads too fast, slow the rate. If it's quiet, raise system or media volume, making sure chat audio mixes correctly. To finish, confirm audio output is set to your headset or TV and that chat audio isn't muted. This ensures TTS plays where you hear it. If you don't hear text-to-speech, restart the console, rejoin the party, and test again. Simple restarts often fix routing. If issues continue, verify language and voice packs are installed, check privacy and voice chat permissions, and update system software. One key tip: sign out and back into PSN if party messages still won't trigger speech, then.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.